This channel delivers practical step-by-step repairs for smartphones and laptops, turning fixes into affordable, confidence-boosting projects. Each video breaks down tools, parts, safety checks, and tests, so viewers can follow easily and avoid mistakes. Focusing on typical failures reveals under-the-hood tips that save money while building repair habits. From battery swaps to screen receipts, guides emphasize planning, sourcing parts, and documenting progress for repeatable success. With calm explanations, the channel invites tech enthusiasts to DIY and trust their growing skills for everyday fixes.